Setting up and managing a VPS used to have a steep learning curve, but what if you could skip all of that? Hello again! I'm Valentinas, the head of VPS here at Hostinger. Today, I'm going to show you how our new AI-Managed VPS takes the fear out of managing your VPS using a natural language. Just describe what you need and Kodee can handle the behind the scenes. Let's get into it. Traditionally, VPS hostings come with a steep learning curve. To do even basic tasks like checking why your server is slow or fixing a broken connection, you would need to know your way around the terminal. One wrong command could get you locked out, making many people give up on their VPS. So we wanted to find a solution. AI-Managed VPS combines self-managed flexibility with simplicity. Under the hood, it's powered by our AI assistant Kodee, who can do more than just give advice on how to run your server. Kodee can perform real server operations like checking performance, managing your firewall, handling Docker containers, scanning for malware. The list goes on and on. This is important for anyone who is curious about setting up their own VPS, but doesn't feel confident editing configurations and running terminal commands. It flattens the old hierarchy and makes it so that anyone can explore what a VPS can do, whether they want to expand their current web hosting setup or create a media server for family and friends. If you are new to a VPS, you no longer need to exactly know how to configure your environment from scratch. Just describe what you want, and Kodee handles the actual execution. Say you want to host your own Plex media server. You can actually deploy in one-click form from our Docker catalog, but if you want an even more hands-off solution, you can just ask Kodee, can you deploy a Plex media server on my VPS? Since this is a critical action, Kodee will confirm that it's what you want to do, and then gets to work. Normally, you would have to install dependencies, configure ports, and spend the whole afternoon following YouTube tutorials, hoping nothing breaks and you don't accidentally expose your server online. With AI-Managed VPS, you just tell Kodee what you're trying to do, and it executes the steps for you, always confirming it's what you really want along the way. You go from I want to do this to my project is up and running way faster. So whatever you've been putting off, you can actually just get started today. Sometimes things go wrong on the server. That's reality. The difficulty is figuring out why. Imagine you just published your website on your VPS, but for some reason it feels really slow. Instead of opening monitoring tools and trying to figure out the analytics manually, you can just ask Kodee, why my server is slow? Behind the scenes, Kodee will retrieve the detailed metrics and identify what might be going on with your server. It can explain these metrics in plain language and even check what might be consuming the most resources on your server. Rather than guessing, you get the clear explanations and solutions to get your server up and running. Once your server is up and running, managing it can feel overwhelming. It's easy to set up, but the thought of having to track the graphs and numbers in your dashboard is another barrier that can make you give up on upgrading to your own VPS. You don't know what normal looks like, what's a bad sign, or what to do to make sure everything is running smoothly. Thankfully, Kodee doesn't just help you when you ask. You'll also see proactive Kodee nudges directly inside the H panel. There, you will find suggestions to check on your VPS health and connectivity, update outdated software, and even make suggestions to analyze your resource usage. To check them out, just click on the nudges for an immediate explanation of what's going on. Kodee will explain everything in plain language for you. It's like having a technical copilot built directly into your control panel. We'll deliver the simplicity while keeping the flexibility and pricing of self-managed hosting. You're not guessing anymore. You have an assistant guiding you to make sure your VPS runs smoothly. Right now, Hostinger is the only VPS provider that can offer this level of AI server management in our standard plans. To check it out, make sure to click the link in the description box and use the code VPS10 when you're getting started on your new plan. So, if scaling to a VPS has been on your radar, but you kept talking yourself out of it, this is the version that was built for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.